The storage under my bathroom sink is really difficult to utilize, so it's really been limiting what I could do with the space. For example, the P-trap. It's really deep, so I can't use the shelves that came with the Vanity. And the bottom has this lip, so I can't install any pull-out hardware. So for a long time, it was just space that didn't hold very much. What I want to do is store things vertically with an IKEA Pegboard. It's the pricing and the amount of accessories you can get that makes it so compelling. IKEA Pegboards come in different sizes, so the first thing you got to do is measure. The best one that fits here is the 14.5 by 22 inches option. It's really all of these accessories that makes this pegboard so useful. Let's start putting it together. My idea is to put the heavy things in the bottom, like in this tray. Lysol, the scrub free. There are these longer hooks. I'm gonna use that for the squeegee. There are these smaller hooks. This is perfect to hang things like this sponge. The smaller container, I think, would be excellent for the Vim. It fits perfectly. Even space for the sponge. And I'm gonna use one more of these little hooks here on the end. I can hang the bottles from it, like this. What do you think? I'm gonna mount mine on this end of the Vanity where it butts onto the wall. So if I drill through the Vanity, no one's gonna see. So what do you think? Are you gonna try this at your place?